Good afternoon everyone. These are all the trades that I took dito sa sa account natin since October 20. Eto, so first trade, stop loss kasi kita natin dito sa MT5. You can see the history sa lahat ng mga trades na pinaggagawa niya. So here we can see a sell, then stop loss tayo dyan sa buy, and then shoot up na yung price and then went down. Then the next trade was eto, sell and TP, right? So ayun, so nandito lahat yung mga trades na ginawa natin, and the result is ito yung pinakamalaking talo at ito, or yeah, it's a stop loss. So, pero maliit lang yung lot size nun. Lahat ng trades na dito, and this was the trade na nagpapanalo sa atin ng malaki sa 2003, and the drop to 1989. Yan yung ano na yan, yung trade na yan, yung nagpapanalo sa atin ng malaki-laki. And then yun, hit na naman ng mga stop loss, sunod-sunod na stop loss, 1, 2, 3, maraming stop loss, and then ayun, na-hit na rin natin to TP. So in trading, hindi talaga na yun, and this is the recent trade. So in trading, hindi talaga every time, every day, every trade will be profitable o hindi ka mag-gain as long as you manage your risk. So ipakita ko sa inyo yung my FX book nito. So dito yung FX book natin sa na yan, so this is the my FX book nung account natin. Tingnan natin. So ito yung my FX book niya. So starting from October 20, yung pinakita kanina, hanggang ayan. So the recent trade is November 9. Okay, so dito makita natin yung profit factor. So I want to increase the profit factor hanggang nag-10 kasi to, then ngayon 7 na lang. Mas maganda, mas mataas yung profit factor, and then dito din sa AHPR at saka JHPR, pati sa Sharpe ratio, gusto rin na maganda yung stats nito, so that sulit, no? So monthly, the daily natin 8%, monthly is 418%, then the drawdown is 16% lang yung drawdown natin. Okay, we already have dito summary. So ayun, yun yung growth ng forward testing of the strategy na sinabi ko kanina dun sa Telegram natin. 1 to 3 trades a day, with a very strict risk management na hindi tayo magre-risk ng lagpas 2% sa isang trade. Okay, so yung mga matataas na stop loss na nakita natin dito, maliliit yung lot sizes nun, kaya meron din tayong yung mga panalo natin, that was a big lot size pero maliit yung risk. And then kagaya nito yung sa NFP, so the risk here was so small, hanggang lang 2003, ganon, the risk was so small and the entry was here. So wala pang 20 pips or 30 pips, and the lot size was big. So yun, malaki yung panalo natin doon nung NFP. Okay, here, ayun. So ito yung mga malalaki yung panalo natin, this one. Okay, so ito rin, yun yung mga trade natin sa these are the losses na na-include natin. 5, 5, 5, na-manage natin yung losses, 10, 20, 3, ito 63, nung lumaki na yung accounts depleted. Then this was the 1.6%. Okay, so pansinin natin, wala tayong talo dyan na lagpas 2%. Okay, this is the balance removal. So nakita natin wala tayong 2%. Ito lang pinakamalaking risk natin, yung 1.7% risk natin sa 1,000 na yan, na value. Okay, so we added 1,000, and kinuha natin yung 3,000. So this is a risk-free account. Okay, risk-free account naman to. So ayun. Yun lang. Manage lang yung risk so that your account will survive. And this is a forward testing naman. Tinitest ko lang tong account na to kung ano mangyayari. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging result nito. This is a cent account, by the way. This is a cent account. So, very minimal. No emotions attached kasi maliit lang na pera. Alright? So, have a nice day. God bless and enjoy your trading.